All right, so this is kind of like a two-part problem also. First, it's a rational equation, so we have to get rid of these denominators first of all. So the way we're going to do that, remember, is to find our LCD. And in this case, well, there's nothing here. This has an x and this has an x times x. So take the one with the highest exponent. X squared is our LCD. It's always going to be the LCD for this case. So let's rewrite them with the LCD. So this first one, I need to multiply the bottom by x squared. And so I need to multiply the top by x squared. So I have x squared. This one I need to multiply by just an x because it already has one of them. So I need to multiply the top. So it's 4x on top. And here it already has the LCD. It already has the x squared, so we just have the minus 8. And so once we have all of it, we just cancel it all out, and so we're just left with what's on top. So which is this x squared plus 4x is equal to negative 8. So the second part of this is just solving the quadratic. It's a quadratic formula problem, as you can tell, especially by the multiple choices. So again, let me just write it up here. This is x is equal to opposite b over 2a, and then on top of this is the b squared minus 4ac. So it has the vertex formula plus the discriminant on top. So let's go and work this out. So I have x is equal to opposite of b. We're solving this over here. So that's going to be, oops, this is not even right. We have to make it equal to 0. So if I add 8, now it's equal to 0. Now we can do it. So opposite of b is negative 4 over 2a plus or minus the discriminant, which is b squared. That's 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 8. Working this out, we get, inside I have 16 minus 32 is negative 16. So automatically, some of you guys may already see the answers. It's imaginary, and negative 4 divided by 2 is negative in front. So it's negative imaginary, it should be b. But let's actually work this out fully to make sure we get that. So first, it's a negative, so we can pull out an I. And also, we know the square root of 16 is 4, so there's nothing left inside, right? This is 4 and 4. So that double 4 goes on the outside, there's nothing left inside. So the only thing left to do is distribute this divided by 2 to both. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. 4 divided by 2 here is 2i, which again we see is negative 2 plus 2i and minus 2i.